YouTube. Today I'm going to be talking about how plants can adapt to your aquarium, especially hardy plants like this Hygrophila angustifolia that I'm going to be talking about today. So I put in a whole bunch of stems, as you can see, just floating. This needs a water change, by the way. But put a whole bunch of stems in that I'm floating, trying to sell off because that tank is just a mess. I need to trim it, but that's another story. So I just threw them in here. And as you can see, they're just floating. So they're not getting much nutrients, but they are getting a lot of light. And this floating, or them floating and just getting all that light, made them want to grow roots. And the roots are going directly down, headed for the substrate. And just trying to get whatever nutrients out of the water column. Because we have pretty hard water, so it makes sense why they're trying to do that. And they're doing perfectly fine. And also how it bends and goes directly at the light. That's that's how plants adapt, folks. It's pretty cool to see how they adapt to different tank scenarios. But that's why, like sometimes you get a plant that's kind of grown weird, just because it might. When you get a plant from the pet store, it goes from like the nurseries in a box for like 4 days, to like the supplier or whatever, like the pet store or whatever. And then, who knows if you're buying from online, then it's in a box for like another 4 days or whatever, 2 days, 3 days. A long time, And then, in between, it's going to different water conditions. It might even be grown immersed. And then it goes underwater. So, plants are hardy. Let them adapt. And they will. So, yeah. Peace out, people. Later.